Hello NCPS students and families, this is your proud Superintendent Amanda Hester. Back in August, I welcomed everyone back for the school year, and at that time, I told you school year was going to go by quickly, and this year has done just that. We've celebrated our seniors graduating, held promotion ceremonies for our 8th and 5th graders along with our Pre-K and Kindergartners. We held honors assemblies and all of those fun, exciting end-of-the-year activities like Field Day. We greeted our students this morning. And we said goodbye in the afternoon one last time before summer break. I want to thank all of our students and staff for their hard work this year and our families for the support of our schools. It truly takes that OneNelson mentality to be successful and make everything work. I can't thank you enough for how you've embraced this concept and put it into action. I'm proud of you, I'm proud to be your superintendent, and I look forward to the 2024-2025 school year. Congratulations on a successful conclusion of the school year. I hope you enjoy your summer break and take advantage of all the learning opportunities and the great things that Nelson County has to offer. Keep learning, keep growing, and make good choices. We will miss you. Have a great summer. And as always, OneNelson.